Oh, the lights. This is gonna be awesome, guys.
Hey guys, alright, so today, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8, I think it is now. Tonight I'm actually back in Tennoji and I'm going to check out some of the illuminations that they've got. So they've got some really beautiful ones around here, and I thought I'd show you guys. Hopefully they're a little bit more Christmassy than my last videos, sorry. But yeah, let's go, okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
It has the strains of Mariah Carey ring out over the park. I think I'm in the right direction. Ooh, pretty. Check out the cranes. I say these trees are I'm loving them. I'm loving these trees. There's something beautiful about all the bird branches with the lights, and it's just stunning. Hippopotamus. We got a cute little elephant and a baby elephant. So yeah guys, this is I think it's the Tennōji Illuminaire or something like that. I'm going to put the actual name of it in here somewhere.
And look what we have here. We have some kangaroos. And a cute little Joey in the pouch. Aw, it's like home. Kind of. Oh guys, look how cute the panda are. This thing is huge, guys. Look, it goes from all the way up there, all the way around, down here, down there further, and around here, which is kind of nuts. Should be finding random angry birds. Holy crap guys, how cool is this? It's so beautiful. It's a tunnel of light. How can we not like this? And you can see the tower. And check out all the lights behind me. It's really pretty, right? It's a glorious gaggle of geese, guys. So guys, if you can see behind me, this is the Harutatsu building, which is the tallest building in Japan, I think. And with the lights and the building itself, it's all so beautiful. And with the weird 80s and 90s kind of music in the background, it's a bit strange. Oh, these little warthogs. They're so cute. They're pigs. And they're kind of warthogish looking pigs. And look, they're making a pyramid. They're doing taiko. Some deer. Oh, I'm not sure. And we have the tiniest little donkeys known to mankind. They're so cute. We have the big finale. I don't know why my camera's going to focus. Sorry guys. Look, it's Santa and a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, sorry. I was inappropriate. Oh, it's Santa and these reindeer. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna head home. So I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.